Drag racing aplenty for episode 120. We're not drinking Henny for episode 120. We had nothing, dude.
120?
You got me so quick.
Not drinking honey for 120? Is that what you said?
With my honey. No, Henny.
No, you should have said honey.
Honey and 20? Henny and 20.
No.
Yeah.
Honey and 20.
It's not 20. It's 20. Isn't it? Oh no. Drag racing aplenty for episode 120.
There we go. I like that.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah.
That's better. Okay.
Cut all the other stuff and use that one.
Yeah. There's totally nothing that happened before this.
No.
Welcome. Episode 120 of the Ultra C Hobby Show.
Yes.
We're getting to the big numbers now.
Yeah.
Big numbers don't rhyme. We can't
hard.
Can't make sweet intros, but
Yeah.
whatever. It's not a bad problem to have. He's Chris.
Yeah, this is Aaron.
So on tonight's episode, everyone seems to really be liking the drag racing stuff.
Yeah.
Chris put some new shoes on his DR10.
I did.
So we're gonna go testing with a couple other people.
Mm-hmm.
We are gonna social distance, so don't you worry about that. And we're gonna go have some fun with drag cars.
You're gonna be the drag queens.
Drag kings.
Kings.
Queens?
Queens?
Kings and queens?
Your car is the drag queen.
Yeah, it's a shelf queen.
Yeah.
I see what you
You gotta
did.
get that thing running.
I know.
If anyone doesn't know, Aaron's car is sitting in the back of the shop. Just like, there's no wheels on it.
It needs a motor and a speed control. And
It looks
she's
like someone
dead.
came in the middle of the night and just robbed it.
Chris, did you rob it? Like, those
No.
look like my shoes.
I know they do.
No, I just gotta stuff a motor and speed control in mine.
Yep.
And a receiver.
I got some tires you can borrow.
Ooh, I sold mine to a customer that needed
Yeah.
tires. So, I mean,
I
I
still
was
got
trying to
a
help them
little bit
out.
of tread left on these, on the stock ones from this. So you
Sure.
can use, so
If you
want to
wouldn't
get
mind.
it running.
Yeah. I want to test her out,
Heck
see how
yeah.
she goes. So the vet may live. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's go right into the footage. hopefully that got your adrenaline pumping for us.
Yeah, and you see, no one broke.
Cute.
Cute.
But anyway, that's it for tonight's episode 120 of the Ultra C Hobby Show.
Yes.
But before we say goodbye, don't forget to like, comment, hit that bell button, and subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget to check Chris out, or RC Deebs as he's known on his social media platforms, on YouTube, Facebook, as well as Instagram.
Indeed.
Don't forget to check out our website, www.ultrarchobbies.com. And don't forget to check us out on all of our social media platforms, Ultra RC Hobbies on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, as well as Snapchat. We're always doing something cool around the shop or at home, working on trucks, working on cars, working on a whole bunch of cool things. So until next time, have a great evening, stay safe, and we'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.